What's up guys, how are you all? Today I am going to show you the new feature, that is the share to team option. So here you can see there is a option to add your team members. Okay, so let's add one team member here. I will add Kuldeep and I will enter his number. Either I will choose him from this list and I will enter his number here and choose him here. And department, he's from development department, I will write it here. Okay, so I can change this template according to my need, and here is an example. You can use it like, hi, I'm sharing this contact detail with you, the name, the phone field and the email field if exists, and labels, tabs, and the shared on and the time. And I can also use the available variables from here, and you can see the message preview from here. Okay, and I will click save and the new team member is now created. Okay, so what is the use of this? So let's say this is a new like lead to me, and I want Kuldeep to handle this lead. Okay, so I will just click send button and boom, you can see hi, and he is like Kuldeep. So I shared this detail with Kuldeep in just a single click. So it is that easy. Okay, and let's say you want to add something, you want to immediately change something, add something, a new message here like handle this lead urgent, and click send once and boom, you can see handle this lead, and you will see